This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the network side because the Ps5 can't run a native VPN app. First, sign into your VPN provider and confirm router support. Download any router config files. Once done, log into your router's admin page with the IP address, username, and password. Make sure firmware is current to avoid quirks. Now back up the existing configuration so you can revert if needed. This is the fastest way to get the VPN routing set before touching the Ps5. Next, you configure the router's VPN client using the provider's instructions. This might be a built-in open VPN client or a custom firmware install. Upload the OFPN file, paste your VPN username and password, and select a nearby server for lower latency. Choose Auto Reconnect so the connection restores after interruptions. Save and apply the settings, then reboot the router to enforce the new routes. After reboot, check the router's WAN IP and location to ensure traffic is exiting through the VPN before connecting your Ps5. Finally, connect your Ps5 to the network. The router is now routing through the VPN. On the console, go to Settings, Network, set up Internet connection, and choose Wi-Fi or LAN depending on your cable. Once connected, run Test Internet Connection and note your NAT type. Then, on the Ps5 browser or another device, confirm the public IP and location match the VPN. If gaming lag, DNS errors, or no internet occur, revert the router backup, switch VPN servers, or apply the provider's DNS recommendations to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.